Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the forecast chart of GBP USD, and finally GBP USD is out of the upward channel. We saw heavy selling, good amount of selling on Friday, and GBP USD ultimately closed at 1.2446. So this is the last traded price of GBP USD, and you can see that dollar gains as higher inflation expectations are hawkish for Fed policy, as a result of which we saw good amount of bullishness on DXY, and this is the main reason why pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD witness selling pressure. As we know it very well that for the last couple of weeks and months, DXY or US dollar index was under the pressure of sellers. And we have already discussed in our previous videos that 100.80 is a very crucial critical support for DXY, and DXY was giving its best fight for the last couple of weeks to survive above 100.80, and it was trading in a very narrow range, and ultimately DXY is also out of the range right now. Because of the market sentiment, there is a possibility that the upside may continue next week as well. As you can see on the chart that DXY is out of the range. It has crossed the last resistance of 102.40 and closed at 102.70. So on Monday, market opening will be important so that we can understand whether DXY will continue the upside or it will come for retracement. If we consider the market sentiment, then yes, if market shows few red candles also after market opening, the retracement is possible instead of a trend reversal. So if market comes down after retracement, you can observe the market of 102.40. There is a possibility that market will take support and bounce again. And if the upside continues, then the next stop or resistance for DXY will be around 103.30. We should not forget that right now DXY seems to be bullish, but overall the market is under the dominance of sellers. DXY was under the dominance of sellers for the last couple of months, so as a result the upside will be very tough, because at each and every level there will be sellers who will be acting as a resistance. You can see there's a weekly chart of DXY and we have a bullish engulfing right now. Now let's talk about GBP USD. So my dear friends, GBP USD is also market opening will be very important, and if we observe the chart carefully, then you can see that there was a big drop, then there was some retracement, big drop, some retracement, big drop, some retracement, again a big drop. So what's next? So yes, there is a possibility that market will consolidate for a while. Okay, we can see that if you look at the chart carefully, then these are not proper retracement also. Okay, these are simply consolidation. So after a big move, obviously market will take some rest. So again, there is a possibility of market going for some rest. So yes, we can wait for some time, and you can simply wait for the market to drop again. So market opening will be very important for GBP USD. So if market continues the downside, listen to me carefully, if market continues the downside, and if you already have a sell position, you can be on the trade, no need to do anything. But if you're looking for fresh entry, then I'll say that right after market opening, okay, it is better to wait for the market to for retracement or for some consolidation. And the reason is that usually we do not get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. We know it very well. Yes, there are some exceptions, but usually the market is very sleepy during the first half. So my dear friends, if you take a sell position right after the market opening, then there is a possibility that market will be coming up again. It does not mean that market is going for trend reversal, but still okay, market may go up again. So as a result, it's better to avoid taking a sell position right after the market opening, because there is a possibility of some possible some retracement or some consolidation. But if you have the risk appetite, if you see that the selling pressure is strong, see what I'm talking about is that usually there is not much volatility, so there is a possibility. But in case there is a good amount of selling pressure right after the market opening, then with proper risk management you can consider a sell position as well. But if market goes for some retracement, okay, then you can consider 1.2500 to be as the next selling zone for the market. And in this market condition, there's a high chance that market will face some sellers around this area. If market shows price rejection from above, if market witnesses some selling pressure, you can definitely consider taking a sell position, my dear friend. But I would like to repeat that, as we all know it very well, that no level is permanent in the market, so wait for proper confirmation. Right now we are analyzing the chart on 4 hours time frame. You don't need to watch the market on 4 hours time frame, it is very slow. You can simply switch to the hourly time frame or 15 minutes time frame. Once you'll see the prices showing rejection from above, you'll get the confirmation that sellers are present. You can consider a sell. 1.2500 is the first level where you can expect sellers to be present. But in case market does not have the strength to go till 1.2500, in that case you can also, yes, listen to me carefully, you can also expect some selling pressure around the 200 moving average here, around 1.2470, 1.2480, 1.2470, 1.2480. Also you can expect some selling pressure if market does not show much volatility. Volatility plays a big role in our market, so right after opening, observe the volatility. If you see the market is kind of slow, there is not much volatility, then there is a possibility that just like the other times, there will not be much retracement and market will fall. So in this case, you can expect some selling at 1.2470. If market drops from 1.2470, if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, with proper risk management, you can consider a sell as well. Okay, so 1.2470, I won't say the very strong level, but yes, you can consider if the volatility of the market is low. But otherwise, 1.2500 seems to be the only logical retracement level where we can expect the sellers to be present. If market reverses according to expectation, we can go for a sell. Clear? And as I said, taking a sell right after the market opening can be a little bit dangerous, because we can see that the structure of the market, okay, is like this. So as a result, there is a possibility that after the market opening, market may try to recover. Okay, and the only logical support on the chart of GBPUSD is at a 1.2345 to 1.2350. This is the strongest support on the chart of GBPUSD right now. In case market continues the downside, then you can expect the market to get some support around this area. So right now this support level is far away. So as a result, no need to discuss much about this level. But yes, this level is also very much present. And my dear friends, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. Yes, it is back after 2 months that I conduct in both Hindi and English. It's a 3 days workshop. Okay. And the best part is that right after the workshop, you'll also receive support for 1 month. My dear friend, if you're struggling with the market, unable to make money from the market, and if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the 3 days workshop. It's a workshop mostly for strugglers, not for complete beginners. You can see that on the website I have also made a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. I have also shared my story so that you're not disappointed enough with your present life, so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. My life was hard too, and you can see these are the benefits that you will be receiving after the 3 days workshop. It's a the support I'm talking about that you will be receiving right after the workshop. Okay, and you can see that the best part is that the fees, it's only $15, only $15 for 3 days workshop and 1 month support. the the class timing, dates, everything is mentioned on the website. In case you are unable to attend, don't need to worry, the recording will be there, because people from all over the world participate. Due to time difference, most of the people cannot attend, so I record everything. And if you're looking for a longer relationship, if you're looking for one-on-one sessions, then you can also consider the annual membership, semi-annual membership. All are at a very affordable price. So my dear friends, that's all. Bye bye, take care.